that is asymmetric synthesis, or it is also called asymmetric induction. Okay. So what is this asymmetric synthesis or simply asymmetric induction? It is a synthesis in which you convert your prochiral substrate into a chiral substrate in such a way that one stereoisomer is formed in excess as compared to another stereoisomer. That means out of various possible stereoisomers, one is formed in excess as compared to another, or they are formed in unequal amounts. So here you convert your prochiral compound, whatever it is, into chiral unit. Okay, you convert your prochiral into chiral unit in such a way that two stereoisomers, they are formed in unequal amount. So this is important. They must be formed in unequal amount. That kind of synthesis is called asymmetric synthesis. If both formed in equal amount, it will become symmetric and you will get racemic mixture, and there will be no use of that kind of synthesis. So in asymmetric synthesis, your one stereoisomer, it should be in excess or exclusively formed as compared to another stereoisomer. So is this point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर एक बार रिपीट कर दो सर, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी.
Okay. Asymmetric means your product is forming in an unequal amount. So what you do in asymmetric synthesis or in induction, you convert your prochiral unit into a chiral unit in such a way that ਜਿਹੜੇ stereoisomers ਬਣਨਗੇ, they should form in unequal amount. That means one stereoisomer should be in excess or exclusively as compared to another stereoisomer. So that kind of synthesis is called asymmetric synthesis. Now for an asymmetric synthesis, very important point or the major condition is to perform asymmetric synthesis is the condition is there must be some chiral environment in the reaction. You must provide some chiral environment in reaction. That is the condition to carry out asymmetric synthesis. So what is the essential condition for asymmetric synthesis? Bolo, there must be
Presence of
Parallel
chiral
environment.
there must be presence of some optically active, or you can say a chiral environment in the reaction. Only then you will get two stereoisomers in an equal amount. Why so? Because when you perform reaction in presence of chiral environment, your transition state, it becomes, I have told you earlier also,
Diastereos.
diastereomeric. So in presence of chiral environment, देखो कि ये एक तो chiral environment तुसी provide कर रहे हो reaction दे विच, ठीक है? That chiral environment may be in form of your reactant, it may be in form of reagent, it may be in form of catalyst, or it may be in form of solvent. The एक environment तुसी outside तो chiral environment provide कर रहे हो. दूसरा, you are converting your prochiral into chiral center. So that means in transition state, एक तो chiral center कित्थों आएगा? From environment तो, दूसरा कित्थों आएगा? From your substrate, from prochiral substrate जिथे नवा chiral center generate हो रहा है. So you will have two chiral centers in your transition state. So that, because of that, your transition state, it will become diastereomeric. And if two different pathways are available for reaction, that means if two different transition states are available, in that case, transition state with lower energy will give rise to major product. So that's the fundamental condition. There must be some chiral environment in your reaction. Due to presence of that chiral environment, transition state become diastereomeric. And since diastereomeric transition states, they have different energies. So transition state of lower energy will provide major product. I think this point is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us see what are main requirements or principle of asymmetric synthesis. Requirements or principles of asymmetric synthesis. So what will be very first requirement to carry out asymmetric synthesis? Very first requirement.
Chemical chiral environment.
Chiral environment.
No. Very first requirement.
The prochiral molecule.
प्रोकायरल कार्बन और कहते हैं ना जब बांस होगा तभी बांसुरी बाजेगी अगर हमारे इफ यू डोंट हैव प्रोकायरल सेंटर तो ਆਪਾਂ कायरल मॉलिक्यूल किस ਨੂੰ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ so the very first requirement is there must be presence of prochiral carbon बेटे वेट करो एक मिनट